This is for you. Yes, you, the one sitting down currently on the couch, procrastinating doing that assignment that you need to submit tomorrow and have been postponing for weeks now. If you're a current CS student, you know you cook if you don't do anything to earn an unfair advantage against this oversaturated market with lots of people competing for smaller amount of jobs. Some of these programs I'm even doing myself and it has helped me tremendously. The problem is that most people don't know about them, but now you will. So this is going to be beneficial to you as well. The first program of this list is the Google Summer of Code. This is a program more centered around people interested in the contribution of open source software. Against the name, instead of working directly with Google, you will be spending the summer providing contribution assistance to companies that are partnering with Google through this program, under the guidance of mentors and professionals. You will improve a lot of your technical skills, but more importantly, you will get the experience learning how large software is maintained and managed, as well as getting experience collaborating with a bunch of different developers and experts. This next one is one that I really like because it gives two amazing opportunities that you definitely take advantage of. The first one is a sprintership. It's basically a full-time micro internship for students during academic breaks. You are partnered up with a company and not only do you do your internship, but if you accepted into it beforehand, you will get a lot of preparation and training. The second one is a 1 year long AI program. This one involves much more commitment. You start on the summer and then every semester is broke down into different sections that focuses on different goals. You will learn a lot about development of artificial intelligence, what are they trained, how can you create your own, etc. It's very involved and give you lots of opportunities and training, but the time commitment might prove an obstacle. Now, if you don't have that time commitment for a year, but instead have some time during the semester for 10 weeks, then you will benefit a lot from this one. CodePad offers a lot of courses in either technical interviewing preparation, cybersecurity, AI, etc. Not only that, but the instructors and the classes provides you a lot to do. After the labs, you will always have homework to do that will drive you to learn the topic more deeply. Very fun program actually. This is the Major League Hacking Fellowship. Okay, I'm less sure of this one, but basically it's a 12-week remote internship where you will be working with a team of peers or engineers from top companies to contribute to open source software. With these programs, you're actually creating value to a product. You're involved in code reviews that will help others and actually make an impact. Both programs requires you to already have completed a Major League Hackathon beforehand, but you can also attend a Global Hack Week event, whatever you prefer. If you don't care about the military and all of that, then this is another opportunity that you could try out in the Army Educational Opportunity Program. Quite the name. You are doing something a little bit different than the rest of the opportunities here. You're working with Army researchers in laboratories to conduct actual research projects. They serve a very range amount of people, from high schoolers all the way to postdoc. Very impressive, not gonna lie. I would suggest giving this a try if you don't mind. Okay. Don't crucify me here. But although this one is not entirely a program for CS students, there's something that's going to be obvious when applying to the prior programs that I mentioned. They always ask you for your resume and your experience. What if you honestly don't have any? Now, some of them don't require it, but the more interesting and involved a program is, the more requirements it will have. So what if you start earning that experience through projects? Here's where the value of this site comes in. In here, you can see tutorials for a lot, and really a lot of different projects to try out. You can see here on the screen some of them. I really advise you to give this one a try. Even if you feel too lazy to apply to the last 5 programs that I mentioned, you might find something awesome that you like and you will start gaining experience in what you're interested in. This will differentiate you from the rest and you can do it at any time. Now, these were some programs that you can try out, and if you end up being accepted, it will give you lots of experience and an edge compared to other people. Source? Trust me, bro. Now, good luck on your adventure. Ciao.